madam. Medium pero kasya ng large. Yes, tela. Much better sa large. Yes, tela, yes, tela. Joe Fresh ang brand. Much better large size, yes, tela. Next. This one, mga madamski, George. Pwede itong XL, pwede itong large to XL, madam. Yes, Army. Large XL, yes, Army, George ang brand. Next. This one, mga madamski, Joe Fresh, medium antag. Pero much better sa large. Navy blue na cotton, madam, si Joe Fresh. Much better sa large. Yes, navy. Yes, navy. Much better. Joe Fresh yan, madam. May pabutones yan. Yes, navy. Yes, navy. Yes, navy, madam. Much better, large size. Next, mga madamski, si Aliyah, medium size, makapal na cotton. Again, malaki to, madam. Medium antag pero malaki siya. Much better sa ano to, sa large. Cotton na makapal. Much better large, yes, makapal. Yes, makapal. Much better large size, yes, makapal. Yes, makapal, large size. Ardeen, spaghetti. Ay, garage pala to. Garage, medium size na spaghetti, mga madam. Medium size, yes. Candy. Cotton yan ha, medium size, yes, candy. Medium size, yes, candy. Medium size. Sino nag-mine new miner? Wala? Ulit? Ay, kay Leona pala, may kay Lorian pala. Navy si Ma'am Nympha. Another dry fit, nag-iisa lang tong 4X. 4X na dry fit. May 4X ba dyan, madam? 4X na dry fit, madam. Tama ba? 4X? Oo. "4X Shein. Good as new." Yes, 4X. Nag-iisa lang na 4X, madam, oh. Ganito sa likod. Yes, 4X. Dry fit yan, ha? Dry fit. Good as new. Yes.